All right, SMCI, June 28th, stock is down 8%, 70 points down, closed at around $820 level. If we take a look at the move that came in yesterday, which is Thursday, where it had a pretty nice move, but stock sold off right back to this $820 level. So here's what I'm watching for this stock. So this is a 10-minute chart, and today, last day of the Q2, officially quarter 2 is over, and you can consider it as just take a look at the 10-minute chart, right? Non-stop selling, relief bounce, and then right into the close by 10 minutes before, flushes down like 20 points, 25 points or so. Rebalancing, right? That's a lot of people do when it comes to like at the end of the quarter. Like a lot of people just chase it as a traders. Just they try to trade off of if they sense. I don't read the tape when it comes to like stock particularly. I'm an options trader, but it's not only that, right? So people may have been taking profit right here because yesterday's pop, I saw a lot of call buyers that came in, but they were shorter dated, which means they were not expecting the stock to run from here away all the way to above 1K. It was for this week, which expired worthless. And maybe they took a profit in the morning as well. So daily chart of SMCI. So I think I have shown this chart where performance of SMCI 1 week, 1 month, 3 months, 6 months. So 1 week to 3 months, yes, stock is down, but year to date, it is still outperforming many stocks. Okay, it is still significantly a lot higher than it started the year at around 280 bucks, I believe. So if we just estimated like measurement right here, 180% still up year to date. Yes, the stock including MicroStrategy, and there are a lot of other like 20 something stocks are about to be included in Russell 1000, I think, which is next week, I believe. But you can double check that information. There's MicroStrategy, there's Carvana getting in there, but SMCI is there as well. So is it priced in? Probably. Is it gonna make the stock move higher? If it does, you can certainly see that there are a lot of bag holders at these $900 to $1,000 levels. That's why last time when I made a video that saying that I'm not interested to go long Super Microcomputer unless we see this name back above $1,000 level. You can see, let me draw this one just so you can visualize. And last time when we had this huge action, right? You remember this, where a lot of people, when this stock hit 1K for the first time, many people chased, and we had this move, flushing move all the way to 700, and then it sort of like it melted up, and then it caught a lot of people as well, chased a lot of people, and then right here, well, people, it's just pure psychology, you know. If you are a trader at least for 2 years, you know that especially if you're somebody who's not consistently profitable, you know that you get caught all the time. You just hold on to buy. Everybody keeps talking about this one, and then you just pull the trigger at the last moment, and then ever since you get in and you decide to hold, it just doesn't do much. It will just give you these moves where it will just shake you out if you're not that emotionally stable as many people are, including me. That's why for the most part, I don't hold stocks for a very long time, especially tech names that are volatile. So there are a lot of back holders in very short terms right here. So you can see from 1K to let's include 700. From 700 all the way to 1K, this range where we have been trading for almost 4 months now. and they're not reporting earnings anytime soon. I think it's in August. Well, at this point, at some point, whether this stock will be trading at around the support area of 700 and 750, that's what I'm watching. People will be cutting their losses. People will be like, okay, I'm not here to hold it through. And a lot of people who ask like to buy the dip, like when stock has gone up this much, like just you gotta be very, very objective and very, very honest, like with yourself. Okay, you don't have to take it too far. It has come up from last year $87 levels to all the way to 1200, and now it's at 800. So you just have to think like, what's the probability of this thing going a lot higher, doing exact same thing another 10 times, from going from $50 billion right now market cap to 500. It's very, very low. And you need to understand that in Russell 2000, yes, small cap stocks can move 10 times, 10x. But as soon as they become large cap, they're gonna trade different, especially when they get included in S&P 500. This stock is in S&P 500 now. They're totally different algos, and they will trick you. Okay, and you have to just accept that fact that from option expiration to option expiration, and if you don't trade options, you have to pay attention. Stocks can trade very, very strange, and that's why I just pay attention purely like if I'm like focusing on a ultra day, like let's say in a daily candles, I look at the 10-minute, 15-minute, 1-hour chart, and I'll get in and out, especially when stock has high implied volatility all the time and options are very expensive. I don't trade overnight. So you can see this is a, let me show you monthly chart of this stock. On a monthly, you can see these wicks, right? It's been closing green, yes. This month, yes, officially stock closed positive. That's another thing. But I think that this stock can, if it does crack these levels at this point, like look at these candles. Pops, sellers show up, and today's selling, like look at it, yesterday's up move, 7 million volume, today's dump, 16 million volume traded today. So that means there were a lot of sellers today compared to buyers yesterday at these levels. So I'm watching this name from here, neutral to bearish at this point, unless we clear 1K again. And my price target would be somewhere around 200-day moving average. At the moment it's 620. Of course it's moving average. I'll show you right here. You can see 50-day moving average right now. It's in the downtrend, sort of like sideways moving right here. But you can see this blue line, downtrend, 5-day moving average right here in a downtrend as well, curled down. So momentum, well, when it comes to these type of names that have high delta moves, high range, like 8% up. One day it goes up 10%, another day it goes down 7, 8, 9, 10%. That's, I mean, that's not for me, the volatility. I don't know about you, but that means there's a lot of like a tug of war in the market in terms of like where it's going to settle. And I think that it can go lower all the way to this 200-day moving average. Unless it hits this level, I'm not a buyer. Or unless it clears all these people who are underwater and those people just get out, and more people who believe in this name come back in and above 1K, that's when I would join. But right here in this range, I'm happy to day trade it if I see an opportunity. But I think this stock is neutral to bearish for me. I didn't want to make this video that long, but that's my opinion regarding SMCI, not a financial advice at all, purely for entertainment purposes only. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.